Kochi. Come with me for a Kerala trip. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashmita. Today, where are we? Today it's day 2 of Kochi. We are in Kochi, and as you can see, we are in the docks here. So we are going somewhere. Let's figure it out. Let's go. Here are the boats. We are going to be traveling in one of them. These are like inner water. Like we are going in deep somewhere. Guys, we are inside the boat. The boat is kind of empty. That is the wheel paddle, and this is my window seat. So basically, guys, in this vlog, I will be showing Kochi, and we are going now to Fort Kochi. And in Fort Kochi, we will be going to Jew town, and some other places. While going, I will show you and tell you everything in details. Okay. So guys, basically from Kochi to go to Fort Kochi, we have to take this ferry to go. It's around 6 rupees. So we are in the ferry going to the Fort Kochi, which is Old Kochi. And now I will show you the docks around. This is the view which I am receiving. There is a flyover construction going on. That's a mini island. That is the old Kochi, the new Kochi. We are going to the old Kochi now. This is the vibe we are getting, guys. So guys, we arrived in Fort Kochi. This is the street we are in. Let me show you this beautiful, amazing paintings which you will see, and it's a must photo click picture street. The street, guys, it's so beautiful. Here is a picture must clickable. So guys, we have arrived in our first destination. This is Saint Mary's Convent, Casalica. Basically, it's Italian church kind of place where Italian painting is done. So let me show you the surroundings. This is the Italian painting kind of church. I think Jews probably made this. Guys, from the St. Michael Church, we have come to Kochi Beach. The sea is very rough here, and we will go to the Kathakali around 5 o'clock. The show starts. Per person is 500 rupees around. But let me show you the beach first. This is the beach. There we are going now. This is just basically a show like area just to come visit, roam. That's all it is to see. Now we will go to some exciting places like must see in Fort Kochi. Okay, let's go. In the streets of Kochi, Fort Kochi, this exactly looks like Pondicherry streets. Guys, our next stop is Dutch Cemetery. Basically, it's a graveyard place. Let me show you. This is the place. This is the cemetery, guys. You cannot enter the cemetery, so that's all with the Dutch Cemetery. Now we'll go to some more exciting place. We arrived in the next stop, which is Chinese fishing system net, first time created. Okay, let me show you. This is the Chinese system. See, guys, and out there they are doing fishing, and that is the water metro. Guys, now we have arrived in Spice Garden, Spice Market it is. So let me show you all the spices of Kerala. Kerala is known for its spices, and most of the spices are brought from Kerala. This is the shop spice market where all the spices are available.
This will become 950 rupees.
No, cheap में.
चीप में भी आपको ऐसा मिलेगा
ये कितना?
300 rupees. Curry pepper, you can boil the pepper. See, you know. So we are preparing ourselves fish masala.
All spice market. This is the oldest market found in.
Candy.
Okay, here ginger was dried during British time.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the spice market, guys.
हाँ sandal.
This is our next destination, which is Dutch Palace. We are going to Dutch Palace, which is upstairs. So let me show you the upstairs of Dutch Palace. This is the Dutch Palace entrance. We have to go from here and go upstairs. This is the entrance of the Dutch Palace, guys. We have to go inside. This is the entrance of this Dutch Palace. This and all. This is the entrance of the main. Guys, this is the another room. This room is not allowed to film, so we are not supposed to film that. These are currencies, guys. This is the other room. This is basically Kerala History Gallery, which is a very tiny room. This is another room. Maharaj Kerala Varma. This is the sword that he used, as you can see. These are some swords. This is another room. He's This is the interior. This is another room. This is the Dutch interior. This is the last room. That's all. There, here it ends. Everything. So basically, guys, from my Dutch building, I'm filming this. The Kathakali video which I'm gonna post, it will be a different video. I will show you a glimpse of it, but it will be an entire different video because of the makeup. Everything will be like a big thing. So it will like I should make a second part of Kochi that I will do, and in this part, entire Kochi will be shown apart from Kathakali dance. So okay, let's go to the Jew town. Let's go to some other towns, some other places, and explore more Kochi. This is a temple near to the Dutch Palace, and that's it with the Dutch Palace. Let's go to the next beach, next part. Yes, we arrived in our next destination, the Jew town. This is the entire street of Jew town. So let's just walk and see different churches and the Jew town road, how exactly it looks like. The Jew town road street. This is some spice market. The road, see architecture and all. This is some. Oh, it's beautiful architecture work. This is perfume factory, guys. Authentic perfume. This is Jew town. The longest incense stick made. Did you guys receive a Guinness Book of World Record?
We have applied for that. Recently we made this.
Oh, recently it is made. Okay. You can burn it if you want.
Not yet. Like this one, already burned in Ayodhya, Delhi, recently.
How long is it?
This one, 69 feet. sandal powder, rose, lotus, lavender.
Jasmine, you have.
Yeah, we have jasmine.
This is
Also.
jasmine.
No, this is the lavender.
Lavender. That's why it's in lavender color also.
Yeah. It's one sticks burn for 1 hour.
This is the world's biggest perfume bottle. Does it spray all the time?
It's remote. Remote control.
Okay, okay. Bhai, you see the interior, everything Ducati.
And here all the perfumes we are recreating without alcohol. It lasts for 24 hours. And we have all the brands like Gucci, Chanel, Armani.
You can make your own perfume. This is basically the Geotown street. It is basically a street where you... Guys, this is the ambience and the street filled with people. Blocks, guys, block printing. So basically we came to our last stop, which is St. Francis Church. After here we'll go to the Kathakali. Kathakali I will show you a glimpse here, but in my next vlog you will see Kathakali. So let me show you the outside. This is the church. Next stop, Hotel Cafe. This is a cafe filled with artistic work. Okay guys, that's all with Kochi Day 1 tour. Now we are going for the Kathakali show. So that will be in part 2. In Kathakali show we will show you the makeup and all. And probably it's off season, so we will be the only people there, most probably. So hope you like this video. Give a like and subscribe to me. And see you in Kathakali Day part 2 of Kochi. Okay, bye bye.